sa ating first run. Grabe, dito tayo nag-first run. Nakabalik din. Salamat kay Reggie. Reggie Tapoki. Bibigay ng schedule. Start na po. Start na po. Mikey, drop pass. No good. Rebound by. Out of bounds. 3. No good. Rebound by Mikey. Nepo baby. 2-0 to number 0 then 2 points. 2-0. Pass to number 18, no good. 10 seconds to shoot. Out of bounds, bola na ang team B. 0. Nagmamadali. 0, pass to Boko. Diggy 3. No good. Di mo ba yung number 0 sa ilalim? 2 points. 0. 4-0. 2 points. Baroy. 4-2. Red, taking 3. Red. 7-2. Baroy. To number 4. Taking 3. Number 4. 7-5. 2.8 by Team B. Crossover move. 3. Number 0. Nauna na si Baroy. 2 points. 10-7. 10-7. 3.8 Team B. Mikey. Short jumper. No good. Ibabay. Baroy. Dishpass ang ganda. 2. Van Jersey. 1.8 Team B. Mikey. To number 0. 15 seconds to shoot. 15. 10 seconds. 7 seconds. Gitna na lang po, gitna. Gitna na lang po. Pambola nila Mikey, 5 seconds. Bola nila Sir Pat. Good ball.
Sa akin, nakakawalang gana. Doon pa ba yan ako tubahan? Di ba tamang inana?
Lawas po, ay, good. Good na, good.
2.6 Sir Pat.
2. 11, 12, 11.
Ganito, nagka-depekto na tayo.
Sir Pat. No good, Primo Pie number 0.
Ito kung walang diin. Pwede ka naman
0. 2 points. 14-11. 3.8. Team B. 14-11. 3. Number 4. Deadlock all 14. 6 minutes and 50. 15 seconds to shoot. To Mikey. To Boko taking 3. No good. Nauna na. Short jumper. No good. Di mo pa number 3. Number 0. 0. 0. Jelly, 2 points. 16-14. 2.8 Team B. 6 minutes and 10. Taking 3. No good. Di mo ba? Out of bounds. 16-14. Labang Team B. Dalawa. Kabila. Sila. Dalawa. 16-14. Exactly 6 minutes. Mikey. To 0. Taking 3. No good. Iba by Mikey. To 1. Mikey. Nepo baby. Iwas ano? 15 seconds to shoot. Steal by number 0. Out of bounds. Gitna na lang. Gitna. Miss. Gitna na. Hindi, 18-14 na. 4-point lead. 18-14. Bola ng Kimpi. 18-14. 18. 5 minutes and 30. 5 minutes and 30. 17 second shot clock. 15.